What's up, oh, you crazy box breaking card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 11 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. And this is the 2012 Topps Prime football break. Here is the roster for tonight. And here's the box. And this one has 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. And there's 2 autographs and 2 jersey patches. And here we go. Alright, good luck everybody. Pack number 1. For the Panthers, Cam Newton. Ravens, Joe Flacco. Eagles, LeSean McCoy. And the first hit, very nice, going to the Browns, Brandon Weeden. That is a rookie autograph with 4 patches. We got football, 3 jerseys. Nice 2-color patch there. And it's a short print, number 23 out of 25. Browns tonight are going to NFL 1999 Browns. Given the name, I'm sure you're excited about that one. Congratulations. And last for the Colts, rookie Andrew Luck. No number on that one. Rams, Sam Bradford. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Niners, Vernon Davis. Packers, Jordy Nelson. Texans, Arian Foster. And a gold rookie, Robert Turbin for the Seahawks. And this one is numbered 350 out of 350. The last one made. Seahawks tonight are going to Brett Sleusler. Chargers, Antonio Gates. Lions, Calvin Johnson Jr. Bucks, Josh Freeman. Rams rookie, Chris Givens. Niners, Frank Gore. And a rookie for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Ravens, Anquan Bolden. Vikings, Christian Ponder. Titans, Chris Johnson. Raiders, Darren McFadden. And a rookie for the Steelers, Chris Rainey. Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. Bills, Fred Jackson. Patriots, Wes Welker. And we have a triple hit. Very nice. Colts, Andrew Luck. Redskins, Robert Griffin III. And Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. and that will go to the top team. So let's go into the Colts. Let's find them on the list. Colts tonight going to Brett Slusser as well. Very nice hit. This one is numbered 123 out of 599. Very nice, Brett. And for the Vikings, Greg Childs, rookie. Ravens, Ray Lewis. Saints, Marquez Colston. Packers, Jermichael Finley. Third hit, we have a rookie autograph for the Jets, Stephen Hill. And this one is numbered 97 out of 286. Jets tonight going to Kamaka Kanakoa all the way down in Hawaii. Congratulations. Lions, Matthew Stafford. And a rookie for the Chiefs, Dontario Poe. Bears, Brandon Marshall. Falcons, Michael Turner. Browns, Greg Little. Falcons, Roddy White. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. And rookie for the Lions, Ryan Broyles. Ravens, Ray Rice. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Saints, Darren Sproles. And the fourth hit, triple autograph, rookie Ryan Broyles for the Lions. Lions are going to Possums, and that's numbered 90 out of 194. Apologize if I butchered your eBay username. Sometimes they're a little tough to figure out. Rookie for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Steelers, Big Ben Roethlisberger. Patriots, Tom Brady. Raiders, Darren McFadden. Jets, Mark Sanchez. Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. And a rookie for the Dolphins, Lamar Miller. This one is the gold parallel, numbered 36 out of 250. And the Dolphins tonight are going to Kamaka Kanakoa. Last pack of the box. Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Panthers, Steve Smith. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Patriots, Tom Brady. Texans, Matt Schaub. And a rookie for the Bengals, Mohamed Sanu. Thanks everybody for getting in the break tonight. That's it for tonight. We have eBay auctions ending tomorrow for Friday's break and 2 spots left for the halftime break for tomorrow night's web break. So take a look and grab your spot. Night, everybody.